Hey guys, today we'll talk about how can you disable light mode on your app, on your tracking, on your fasting tracker app. We're going to figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. So all you have to do, you just go down here, click on me down here. When you just click here on me, it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this. So then all you have to do next, just go above this sign, click on it here. When you just click on it, it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this. So then all you have to do now, you just go down here. So you keep going down here, come here to dark mode, click in this sign or this color. So that like you see here color it's gone, that's mean here dark mode disable with us now, or enable light mode. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe.